Hey guys, Tashle everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's recipe I'm going to show you how to make Japanese wooden noodles. Japanese wooden noodle how to make at your home. So I'm going to show you how to make. And ingredient are very simple. We need flour. I'm using maida. You can use wheat flour also. Here we need water and we need salt. That's it. It's very simple. And how to make I will show you step by step. And let's get started. I'm going to use 500 gram flour. How much you want to need, you can make it. Next, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon salt. Now add the water. And we need to make little dough hot. Okay, now what I'm doing, if you have machine you can use machine. And here I'm going to put in Ziploc. Keep middle, and I'm going to put one more Ziploc. Now let's see what I'm doing. Okay guys, okay, this is my dough. I'll keep here. And next I'm going to cover my apron. Now what you want to do, I will give my foot massage for my dough. Now you have to cut. I'm going to add just a little bit salt, and after that I'm going to add my noodles. Now boil for 5 to 6 minutes, normal high heat. Now my noodles are already cooked. Now I'm going to strain the water. Just do for 2-3 minutes. So this is my final result. So if you like this recipe, guys, do not forget to subscribe, like, share with your friends, and leave comment below. Let me know how it is my homemade recipe. And thank you for watching my video, and we'll see you in next video. Bye bye. Take care everyone, and enjoy my recipe.